Hello guys, so you have completed editing your videos on CapCut and now you are wondering how you can export or save the video clip to your phone's gallery. So it's very simple. I'm here to help you guys, so don't worry about it. So after, as you can see, I have this is my video. I have done editing and I want to save this video. For that, first you need to choose the resolution from here. Choose here, and as you can see right now it's 1080p. If you want 720p you can choose it, or if you want 4K you can choose 4K, but for a video I'm keeping it on 1080p. And the frame rates you can change, it's by default will be 30, you can change to 60. And if you want HDR it's enable, if you don't want just disable it. And after configuring your settings, you don't have to do anything, just tap this arrow button. Now as you can see it's exporting, or you can say it's saving this video to our phone's gallery. Now if we open our photos application, as you can see this is the video. So we have successfully exported the video. So yeah, that's how you save or export video from CapCut to your gallery. Thanks for watching.